Today we're going to look at what is the tax year and the 6 reasons knowing the tax year is important. Hi, my name is Barry Chan. I'm the Director of BF Accountants and ACCA Qualified. Together, transforming you and your business. So come along with me. First of all, what is the UK tax year? It starts from the 6th of April and lasts for 12 months and ends on the 5th of April. I know, when I first started studying tax, I also couldn't remember this date. But as long as you remember the 6th of April, automatically it ends on the 5th of April. Let's explore the 6 reasons knowing your tax year is important. Number 1, tax planning. You can time your tax planning so that legitimately we can minimize your tax due. Reason number 2, claim back. You don't want to miss out on the money that you're owed. For instance, you can claim back overpaid tax for the last 4 years if you're employed. Reason number 3, tax filing. You can meet Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, HMRC, tax filing requirements for the employed and the self-employed. Reason number 4, you can budget, that is, put sufficient money aside for the tax that you owe. Reason number 5, deadlines. You need to know your tax year so you don't miss any deadlines. And finally, number 6, penalties. You can avoid penalties. So to summarize, here are the 6 reasons knowing your tax year is important. Number 1, tax planning. Number 2, claim back. Number 3, tax filing. Number 4, budget. Number 5, deadlines. And number 6, penalties. If you found this short tax tutorial useful, please click on the like, subscribe, and notifications buttons. Also leave your comments about any issues you might have encountered in your tax year. Happy new tax year!